Hey team, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use modules in Python. I'm going to show you 5 ways. To use an entire module, we use the command import name, where name is the name of the module. Here are 3 examples to use the entire module, import, and then the name of the module. This technique is used to provide an abbreviation for the module name. Here you can see the module name is TKinter. However, the abbreviation is TK. TK has less characters to type, but it's still obvious what the module is. In the top example, you can see I used the alias feature, and then I used it throughout the example. The example started out making the alias TK. Then in the code, I used TK to access the TKinter module. Using TK as an alias for TKinter is pretty common. In the second example, notice I did not use an alias. In the sample app, I had to spell out the module name. Specify objects from a module. Using this technique, we begin with the keyword from, then provide the module name, then the keyword import. At the end, we include one-to-many objects from that module. In our first example, we used import math. This allows us to use all the functions that are available in the math module. Notice we also have to use the module name before using any of the function names. In the second example, from math import pow, e, only those 2 functions are available to our program. And you'll also see that we don't have to use the module name before the function. Now you have to admit, on the line print e, that code is kind of mysterious. Ask yourself, is that obvious? You can clearly see I'm only importing pow and e. However, I'm saying print pi. Well, that's not part of my use case. That is invalid. To import all objects from a module, we can use the star operator. The star operator is generally not recommended as it can make our programs crowded and difficult to read. As you can see, from math import star, all of the methods, functions, properties, variable names are available. So you can see print pi is now available. Do you remember in our last example, pi was not available? And the last way to use a module is to call it dynamically. Let's write a small program so you can see that. As you can see, the implementation for dynamic use of a module is very simple. Just give me the module name, then say importlib.import_module with that module name. Then we say module.pow 2 to the 5th, and that gives us our results. As you can see, this is easy to implement. And there you have it, team. The process of importing a module, such as the math module, is called module importing. I showed you 5 different ways and provided several examples so you would better understand the usability. If you have any questions or comments about this video, please leave them below. Hope to see you back here for my next video. Take care.